Welcome back to another update on my Impala. It's getting pretty close to being back on the road. Firstly, I installed some LED headlights. They're a lot brighter than the old stalkers. Next, I moved back to the trunk and started backing up all the chunks and dirt. I also pulled out the old Weatherstrip. After it was clean, I scuffed it up and sprayed it with some black rust converting paint and finished with some aqua spatter paint. I also installed the new Weatherstrip. Next, I moved to the interior, starting with the new package tray, and then I dyed the vinyl suit. Then I vacuumed and extracted the carpet. Moving to the front, I put a seat cover on and a carpet dash cover. I'm going to go ahead and try to restore the patina paint on this 60 Impala. I'm going to use this Flood Penetrol. It is for single stage paints. It kind of rejuvenates it a little bit, protects it. As you can see, I did a small section here. But I'm going to just give it a quick wash just to get the dirt off. It's got some Turtle X Max Power Car Wash in the bucket. Just using the regular hose today. I'm not going to foam it or anything, just a quick wash. This is the first wash on my Apex metal oxide coated wheels. Look at those insane hydrophobics. Finish the tires off with some 303 tire coating. Okay, I got my Penetrol and microfiber. See that? That's just one coat. And the second coat, you want to make sure to put it on nice and level to get it even. This is how it turned out.